Alright, what is up guys? Today I'm going to do my high-end PC build. I did my mid-range PC build a couple videos ago, and about that video, sorry the audio cut out in the beginning. I don't know what happened. I think it was a rendering issue. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and jump into video. Again, I'm going to start off with the processor. This time I went with, since this is the high-end range build, I went with the Intel Core i7 3930K Sandy Bridge processor, 3.2 gigahertz, 3.8 gigahertz turbo, 6-core processor, right at $570. Great processor, a little expensive, but you get what you pay for. Excellent processor by Intel. Next, I went with the MSI Z77 M-Power LGA 1155 Intel chipset motherboard. It does have military class products on it, or military hardware. This is a very good motherboard by MSI. MSI always has made quality parts, and I really enjoy their products. So this is the motherboard, great motherboard. Last time I went with a Asus Z77. This time I decided to go with the MSI. They just have great quality products over there at MSI. Next, I went with 16 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance DDR3, 1600 megahertz. Great memory. Corsair always makes good memory. Love their products. That RAM right there will keep your computer up to speed and very fast. Next, here comes one of the main components of the PC here. This is the Sapphire Vapor X Radeon HD 7970 gigahertz edition with 3 gigabytes of GDDR5. That is an extremely fast GPU. Great fucking graphics card for the money. You're not going to get no frame rate lag. Perfect 60 frames per second on any game you play on Ultra. This is the way to go with the graphics card right here. Love this graphics card to death. I was considering like a 7870, but I just had to go with the 7970. It just blows everything else out of the water besides the 7990. So great graphics card, great GPU. Next, I went with the Corsair 80 plus gold power supply, 850 watts. Corsair always makes quality products. Again, I chose their RAM for this build. So of course, Corsair is the way to go when it comes to a lot of things. Of course, it's got great reviews, 695 reviews, all 5 stars. So great power supply. Gonna run that 7970 very well and power everything else in your system. Next, I went with a Crucial 256 gigabyte SATA 3 SSD drive to put your operating system on and boot from, because you know that's going to give you massive amounts of speed to boot up your computer. You'll probably boot into Windows with like between 11 and 15 seconds with this SSD here. And so great SSD. Good price for it too, for it to be a 256 gigabyte SATA 3. So great quality there. Crucial has always made good SSDs as well. Next, I went with the Seagate Barracuda 720 RPM 3 terabyte hard drive. This is a great hard drive to store all your media on, all your games, all your videos, whatnot. You know, and you don't have to boot from this, since the hard drives, the mechanical hard drives, are a little slower than the SSDs. This is just where you're going to store everything on your computer, essentially, besides your operating system. Like I said, that'll be on your SSD for faster boot up. This is a great hard drive. Seagate makes great hard drives. Highly recommend this. So that's the hard drive, 3 terabytes. And by the way, hard drive prices have dropped dramatically over the past few months, and at the rate they're going, they're probably going to keep dropping. So next, last but not least, I went with the very sexy NZXT Phantom Fan white steel plastic enthusiast ATX full tower computer case. Great value at $120. This is gonna have plenty of room for all your cable management. Has USB 3.0, has everything you need in this tower right here. Great beautiful tower. Love the white, love the design of it. As you can see right here, you have plenty of room inside of it. Everything about it's just a great tower. So I recommend that. Phantom's made great towers. I love their towers. But that does it for this video, guys. This is the high-end PC build, and that comes in right at under $2,000. It actually comes in at $1,980 even. So next I'm going to do my low-end PC build and try to make that under about $800 for you guys. Again, I'm not actually building this PC. What I'm saying is if I was to build a PC with this budget, this is what I would go with. If I had, you know, $1,980 to spend, these are the parts that I would use personally to build that computer. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was helpful. If you have any comment or if you have any questions, drop a comment, inbox me. Other than that, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Later.